receiving tone signals or a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And, in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. Pittsburgh Monthly Summary. The Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania Climate Summary for the month of November, 2021. The maximum temperature for the period was 71. The record maximum temperature is 82 degrees, which was set in 1961. The minimum temperature for the period was 21. The record minimum temperature is -1 degree, which was set in 1958. The average temperature was 40.